everybody, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's been craziness, hasn't it? Like, y'all, let me know in the comments down below, are you one of the few people or one of the lot of people that have lost your nails during this time period? Because you guys, I done lost my nails. I tried painting them, now they look like crap. I need my nail lady. It's been bad, at least that part, you know, like our I don't even know how to say it, like, anyways, it's just, yeah, the things that we do, that we rely on and stuff to get things done, and we can't get it done, it's like, ah. But anyways, guys, let's get ready to go to our living rooms. Let's get ready just to get ready. Let's lift ourselves up, because I'm noticing, like, here where I'm at in Cali, it's been so gloomy. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready. It's been so gloomy, and like, haven't been wanting to get ready or anything like that. Let me know if you're the same. I'm having breakouts on my face, like, and I'm one of those people that like to pick my face, so there's that. I'm going with the Hollywood Flawless filter in for medium. That is what this looks like. Y'all know I love this stuff so much, but yeah, I haven't really been doing much. Literally, I've been what you want to call it, like, website shopping or like window shopping online and stuff. Let me know if you guys are doing the same with the window shopping. I guess I need my brushes over here, but I don't know, I'm like wanting to get some new outfits and stuff, and the crazy thing is I'm like more looking into like casual kind of wear, like actually like athleisure wear, so like sweatpants and all that stuff. And there is a cute blazer dress thing that I want to get from Pretty Little Thing, so I don't know if I want to like split it up where I want to buy stuff from Pretty Little Thing and do a haul, like get just a few items, or split it up with Pretty Little Thing and Boho, or is it Boohoo? Boho or Boohoo, I'm not sure how you say it, but they have some really good clothes on their website. And yeah, so they have really nice outfits on there, and I really want to try their stuff out. I haven't tried their clothing line or anything like that. Yeah, oh gosh, I love this stuff. Okay, I'm going with Dior Air Flash. This one is, does this say, oh, 301. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. I haven't used that in forever. Using my It Cosmetics 132 brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my skin. So I do like the Dior Air Flash because it is more dewy in a sense. So I like that. What have y'all been doing to keep yourself occupied during this quarantine? Let me know if you have any ideas on maybe what I should try out. I did try out the, what's it called, the Dogana coffee. Y'all, that stuff is bomb. Like, y'all have to try it. Literally, it is 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I ended up using decaf instant coffee. It tastes bomb, trust me, even though it's decaf. So good. And then so 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of hot water, so make sure it's hot, and then blend it up. You can do it by hand or actually use a mixer. I like using the mixer because it goes by way faster. Put that speed on high, mix it up. It literally looks like peanut butter when it's done, and it's more of a thicker consistency. Your girl can't talk. Yeah, so that stuff was so good. I'm waiting for us to go grocery shopping later, like maybe a week or two, and then I'm gonna buy some more instant coffee because I don't have any more. So that is what I'm wanting to get because I love some iced coffee. Let me know if you want to see a video on it, but there's plenty of videos out there that that have made it and stuff. And if you like matcha, there's one for matcha. I don't have matcha, but if you want to see how I do the coffee one, let me know as well. But yeah, that's pretty much been watching Netflix and everything. What have I been watching? I started watching Ozark, but I only made it to like the 3rd episode. So that is what I'm on, is like the 3rd episode. So far it seems pretty good. I've heard that like the beginning is kind of slow, but so far I haven't really like noticed it being like slow and stuff. I don't know, it's just me watching it. I think I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star C8, is the shade C8. I'm just gonna use a little bit. This might be, she a little light. And then I got some breakouts on my face. I want to go in with another shade. I might go with the Juvia's Place 20. Let's try that out too. That one's more darker. All right. I'm just gonna let that set on my skin. And then we're gonna go in with some cream contour. So some cream contour. I'm gonna blend this out and I will be right back. Okay, so I did powder, bronzer, some highlights, and yeah, pretty much just bronze up my face. I use the Benefit, what is this thing called? Oh my gosh. The Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I have the mini size one. I just set my brows and stuff. So the next thing that I'm wanting to do is my eyes. So I'm going to use the Supreme Nudes from Artist Couture. And I love this palette so much, you guys. So the first shade I want to go into is a Silhouette. So I'm going to go into a Silhouette. And I'm just going to start tapping this shade onto my crease. And just patting that shade on. I'm going to try to keep it kind of rounded out. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And just pack on however like pigmentation you want. So just keep patting that on, and then when you feel like you have a good amount of the pigmentation, just take your brush and kind of go in circular motions, and that's how you're going to blend the outer portion out from the crease. So just work with that, and it's going to blend out so pretty. And then I'm gonna take another brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade called Eccentric, and it's this shade right here. So I went in with Silhouette, and I'm going in with Eccentric. And then I'm actually gonna mix that shade with Nudist. So I'm mixing those two shades together, and I'm also tapping that on. These shades are so pretty and they're so blendable. Guys, I need to jump on this. I'm pretty sure it's on Sephora still. I'll link it if it's still in stock. Last time I heard that this palette did sell out on his website on Artist Couture, but I think some of the lipsticks are still on there and stuff, so I'll link that in my description bar down below. I'm going back in with the brush I use for silhouette and just kind of packing that back on there. And just going back and forth is what you want to do for a really nice blend. Okay. Then I want to do, let's see, I'm going to go back in with silhouette, and I'm going to put this in the outer and inner corner of the eye, and I'm going to mix Transcend in there as well. Let's mix these shades together. Okay, I did my other eye. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm going to move my camera this way. Let's see. Hopefully that's a little bit better to see. I'm gonna go in with Bronziana, and that is this shade right here. I'm gonna go in with my finger. Oh, guys, oh. Look how pretty that is. I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. Wow. Like, look. Ooh. Girl. Yeah, y'all need this palette for sure. Like, what? Okay, so went in with my mascara, the It Cosmetics, the superhero one. And then I'm going with my Makeup Forever and Anywhere Caffeine. I'll line our lips real quick. So that's such a pretty nude. I'm gonna go in with the shade Angel Baby. This is the lightest shade in his collection. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see if I want to mix something else. Let's see, maybe Boy Toy. Maybe a little bit of Boy Toy in the outer portion. Should I keep on going? Okay. Saucy Gal, one of my favorites. Okay. Feel like this is looking super nice. Bronzy. What do you guys think? I feel like my lighting is a little bit off. I'm trying to move my camera around. Technical difficulties. If I get closer. Bronziana. So, for the name of Bronziana, I had to make sure my skin was a bronze. What do you guys think of this look? Y'all need to cop this palette if you can. Get it because it's a bomb. It's so bomb, you guys. I wouldn't steer you wrong or anything like that. But yeah, this is my look to go to the living room to chill. Spend time with my baby. If you guys liked today's video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will greatly appreciate it so much, you guys. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and then just kind of go up from there and stuff. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next. But yeah, I love the way this look turned out. Very sultry, I feel like. A nice going to the living room a moment. So hope you guys enjoy this look. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.